This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pixie Russell. Stunning 4-bedroom 4.5-bath custom-built home with expansive views of Crystal Lake. Inviting open floor plan with gourmet chef's kitchen, beautiful primary second floor bedroom suite, as well as ensuite first floor bedroom. Geothermal, heat, and air conditioner, as well as elevator. Gorgeous, professionally landscaped yard and expansive decks to include new boat dock and new lift. Never miss a beat of luxury living or entertaining with newer whole house generator. This home has been meticulously maintained and well loved. For more information, review the details below.